I'm going to walk you through how to file taxes in Canada using TurboTax. Filing taxes might feel daunting, but with TurboTax, the process is streamlined and straightforward. So let's dive in and tackle your taxes step by step. First things first, you'll want to gather all your necessary information slips. These include T4 slips from your employer, any T5 slips for investment income, and possibly others like tuition or rent receipts, depending on your personal situation. Having these documents on hand will make the process smoother and help ensure you don't miss any crucial information. Once you have your documents ready, sign in to TurboTax Canada. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account, which is a simple process that just requires an email address and a secure password. Once logged in, start a new return. TurboTax will guide you through this with prompts, making it user-friendly even for beginners. You'll begin by entering your profile details. This includes your full name, marital status, and province of residence. It's important to be accurate here, as this information affects your tax calculations and potential credits. Next, TurboTax will ask you a series of personal questions. These questions are designed to tailor the experience to your specific needs. You'll need to provide details about any dependents you might have. If you own foreign property or assets outside of Canada, you'll need to disclose this information as well. Additionally, there's a section for first-time homebuyers. This can lead to valuable credits and deductions, so be sure to answer accurately. Now that your profile is set up, it's time to input your financial data. TurboTax offers the option to import your financial information directly from the Canada Revenue Agency, which can save you a lot of time. If you'd prefer, or if importing isn't an option, you can manually enter your income and deduction information. Follow the prompts to input your data accurately. Take your time here. Ensuring this information is correct is crucial for an accurate tax return. Once all your data is entered, TurboTax will review your return for any potential errors or omissions. This is a great feature because it can catch mistakes you might overlook, which could otherwise lead to processing delays or even penalties. If TurboTax flags any issues, it will provide detailed instructions on how to fix them. The final step is submitting your completed tax return directly to the Canada Revenue Agency using NetFile. This is a secure and fast way to get your taxes filed. Before you submit, double-check everything to ensure all the information is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, follow the prompts to send your return. TurboTax will confirm once your submission is successful. And there you have it. You've successfully filed your taxes using TurboTax. Remember, if at any point you're unsure about something, TurboTax provides helpful tips and support options to guide you through the process. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be stressful with the right tools and preparation. Good luck, and may your refund be swift and generous.